Let's take a look at the level of circularity of MK restaurants. Overall, MK Restaurant Group demonstrate a moderate level of circularity in their current business operations. They have made efforts to reduce waste through three key actions. First, by repurposing extra food and ingredients such as donating surplus food or converting scraps into other uses. Second, by redesigning their packaging to be more eco-friendly. And third, by implementing employee training to raise awareness and improve waste management practice in their store. Now, let us walk you through our innovative method from leftover to lifesaver. This method transforms leftover vegetables from MK restaurant into sustainable packaging. Here's how it works. First, we collect clean vegetable waste such as cabbage stems, mushrooms, or carrot peels. The parts often left uneaten in the hot pot. Next, we dry and grind them into fine fibers. Then, we mix the fibers with natural binders to hold them together. And finally, the mixture is molded into biodegradable products like straw or containers. This process not only reduces food waste but also replaces single-use plastic packaging with something natural. Let's talk about the prototype, the outcome of our innovation process. This product is designed to be cost efficient, although it may seem like an added step. In the long run, using vegetable waste actually helps reduce material costs. We estimate that each straw made from plant fiber would cost around 0.8 to 2.5 baht, which is competitive with eco alternatives in the market. From a marketing perspective, this creates a huge branding opportunity. It positions MK as green leader in the food industry, a brand that customers emotionally connect with because it shows commitment to the environment. There are also strong environmental benefits. It reduces food waste from leftover vegetables. The material is biodegradable, which means it naturally decomposes without harming the planet. And of course, it helps cut down on plastic usage, such as straw and takeaway containers. Finally, this product has real sustainability impact. It moves MK toward a more circular economy approach, supports Thailand's 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, and showcase corporate responsibility for future generations. Let's begin with the biological cycle in MK operation. The supply starts with fresh vegetables, such as lettuce and cabbage. At MK Restaurant, food is prepared and served fresh to customers. However, not all of it is consumed. Some become kitchen scrap or leftover, especially vegetables left uneaten in the hot pot. To reduce waste, MK can implement circular actions such as collecting vegetable waste and turning it into compost, using this compost as natural fertilizer for farming, supporting local agriculture, and closing the loop. This leads to regeneration where the fertilizer helps grow more vegetables, which are then supplied back to MK, completing the biological cycle. Additionally, any bio packaging made from vegetable fiber can also be naturally decomposed back into the soil, reinforcing this sustainable route. Now, let's look at the technical cycle. We focus on material and equipment used at MK. This includes the supply of equipment, furniture, and delivery packaging. Throughout dairy operations, MK uses various cooking tools and facilities that experience wear and tears. MK can focus on maintenance and repair of items like tray, furniture, or kitchen tools, and recycling all broken material by sending them to certified recycling companies. Throughout this action, used material are transformed into new products, which can then be used again.
For our interview, we asked the MK manager this question, and they stated that working at MK has been a challenging yet rewarding journey. They have learned how to manage a team, solve problems under pressure, and deliver excellent service to customers. The fast-paced environment pushed them to grow professionally, and they have developed a strong sense of responsibility. Every day brings a new situation, and they feel proud to be part of a company that values both customer satisfaction and employee development. We also asked the waitress, and she expressed that her experience has been rewarding. She appreciates the teamwork and lively atmosphere, feeling that the entire staff treat each other like family. The role has enhanced her communication skills and confidence, aiding her personal and professional growth. As for our innovation, the manager believes it has a lot of potential. Turning leftover vegetables into useful packaging is something they have never thought of before, but it would help them reduce waste and lower costs in the long run, and also show that they care about the environment. If MK can actually make this happen, it will create a positive impact, not only for the business, but also for their image and customer trust. The waitress also thinks that it is a really smart idea. It takes something that people usually throw away, like vegetable scraps, and turns it into something useful and meaningful. If they start using eco-friendly straws or containers made from those scraps, it would feel good to know that they are helping reduce plastic and protecting the planet. It also makes her proud to work in a place that supports sustainability.